everyone, it's Debbie Lee Driver at Fretboard Warriors. Tonight I'm with Jack. Jack, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Good, I'm looking forward to this. I'm just going to say a little bit about you. Probably been working for you, might be nearly 2 years now. Year and a half?
One and some.
Yeah, my goodness, it's going quick. But you're doing really well. You've got your RGT Grade 1 certificate, which is really good. You are working on band material. Your band is Intergalactic War Machine. Can't wait to see that live. It's going to be wicked. And covering loads of songs, just doing really well. So I know you've got a great song lined up for your performance tonight. Can you tell us what the song is?
I've got Gene Wilder's Pure Imagination.
Brilliant. And is this a song that is close to your heart? It's a good song. It's a great song. So when you're ready, yeah, take it away.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What you'll find will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Want to change the world, just do it. All we really need, nothing else to it. There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be.
Jack, well done. That was awesome. How you feeling?
Not too bad. I thought that was pretty good.
I thought that was really good. But well done on all your hard work. Yeah, can't wait to see you live up on stage, Wembley. Who knows?
Yeah.
All right, thanks a lot, Jack. See you later. Bye.